Yeah, good afternoon, all the students. And now we are going to discuss our chemistry part. Till now, we are already completed half of the part of our one-dimensional motion. And next of the part, we are after completion of this chemistry lesson, we are going with that. Yes. And these 3 days are very important for you in the part of our chemistry. Yes, why? Because on August 22nd, you have a class that our examination, first examination, grand test on our IIT foundation. That one, this particular topic may comes for you. That is a compulsory must and should listen carefully and follow thoroughly about this. Okay. Yeah. Now, actually, it is a new concept for you. Why? Because in IIT class, from what information is there about our chemical equations. Okay, now what is the chemical equations and what is the chemical substances and what is the atom? How many number of atoms are there? Yes, how many number of elements are there? Why we give the names of elements? These all the concepts are completed in your IIT class. Now we are going with that one more topic that is only yes in IIT concept somewhat difference is there compared with our regular subjects in 7th class of IIT component only, that is a chemical equation. What is the chemical equation and how the chemical equation is going on? Yes, and as well as what the factors are influenced on our chemical equation is there in your 7th class only. Just I want to give a little bit information about a chemical equation first, then after again we'll go with our lesson. What is the chemical equation? Yes, you know very well the total chemistry is coming from only one thing, that is the what changes. Yes, there is a two types of changes in there in our universe. One is a chemical change, another one is a physical change. Which is called a chemical change, which is called a physical change. Which is called a physical change, which changes are irreversible. It is called a physical change. Which changes are reversible, that is called a physical change. Sorry, which changes are reversible, that is called which one? Physical change. In case it is irreversible, no reversible process is possible. Yes, there is in a change two processes are there. One is forward change, another one is reverse change. Forward action and reverse action. Yes, there is a whatever a forward action is there, it is possible in the reverse action. Whatever the initial substance is undergoes a change, again comes to it is into yes our reverse possible change. It again comes initial substance, that is a called a physical change. Okay, I hope you understood. One change is going on. The initial change, initial subject or object is a convert into new substance or a new object. Again, it comes to its original change. Okay, clear or not also? Yes, that is called a physical change. Once again, I repeat it. Yes, one change is started, a new substance is formed, and after formation of new substance, we are again taken a reverse process. The whatever initial state we are used with the substance, it is again available because of reverse process. That is called a reversible process. And as well as it is a reverse change. It is called a reverse change. It is also called a physical change. Example is as you take your water cycle, the process of water cycle. Okay. Yes, what is that? Water first we are taken in the form of ice. It is converted as a water or liquid. It is afterwards it will become as a vapor, and then after again it will become as ice. Okay, now water to the ice. Okay, now it is possible or not? Yeah, it is a possible. When we heated ice, it will be converted as water. When we heated the water, it is converted as a vapor. When we again go with the reverse process, we cool down that things. Again, we'll get lastly ice. Okay, this type of changes are called what? Physical changes. Next, come to chemical changes. Regular in your 6th class already you studied, or otherwise in acids and bases of 7th class already you studied. Okay, clear or not also? Yes. And in that acids and bases, so much changes are observed. the formation of hydrogen gas when there is a zinc granules are combined with hydrofluoric acid, we'll get the hydrogen gas. In these all the things, when we go with the reverse process, if it is not possible actually reverse process, in case we go the reverse process, we not get the whatever initial subject we are used or initial object we are used. The best example is the formation of curd. Okay, now yes, we added some sample curd to the milk. It will be converted as a curd, and the curd again not get as far as when we again reverse process we select it. Understood not all the students? Yes, I hope you got it. It is yes. Curd again become as a milk. No, once it become as a curd, again we not get a milk. That is called chemical change. Yes, the original subject or a original object again not get because of reversible process. It is a called what? It is a called yes chemical change. As the chemical change is a represented simplified manner by using chemical equation only. Okay, got it or not? By using chemical equation only, it is possible. Use the chemical symbols. Okay, suppose you take here carbon is formed of carbon dioxide. Okay, in the presence of oxygen burning. Okay, in this one that is written in the form of what? A chemical equation in this term. Got my point? Is a called what? It is a called a chemical equation. Yes, in this one, the carbon is a symbol of yes, carbon symbol is a C, oxygen symbol is a O, and carbon dioxide symbol is a CO2. These are the symbols or a chemical formulas it's called. And when we take a mathematical operation between chemical formulas and some special symbols, it is only become what? Chemical equation. Yes, clear or not? Chemical equation is nothing but simplifying format of a chemical changes by using the chemical symbols, mathematical operations, and some special symbols. Okay, clear or not? Yeah, this is the chemical equations. And these chemical equations, how they going on? And as well as what is changes are coming with the time. Yes, and how much time it will be taken. Why some reactions are slow, why some reactions are fast, why some reactions are extremely slow. Okay, and for the making of a fast that equation, or we want to complete the chemical equation into the within the fraction of second, any possibilities are there. And as well as why the chemical substances are involved with another chemical substance. Yes, what is the reason for it? Yes, why the carbon is combined with oxygen formed as a carbon dioxide. Okay, why it is and how much time it is taken, what the byproducts are get for us. Yes, these are all the things we are going to discuss in one particular topic. Yes, that is only called what? That is only called chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. Very, very, very important concept for your final IIT exam also. Yes, after 3 years, whatever the exam is you have to attempt. In that examination also, there is a 5 marks are coming from that our chemical kinematics. Okay, clear or not on this? And now, what is the chemical kinematics? Chemical kinetics. Our lesson is chemical kinetics. And what is the chemical kinetics? Okay, what is the use of chemical kinetics? And it is actually there is we have the two chemistry parts. You know, where chemistry is classified into not two. Yes, there is it is 3 parts mainly. One is physical chemistry, another one is inorganic chemistry, another one is organic chemistry. Okay, clear or not, all students? Chemistry mainly there is so many branches may possible to divide, but main branches are what? 3. One is the physical chemistry, another one is a yes inorganic chemistry, another one is organic chemistry. Okay, clear or not also? Now, these our chemical kinetics concept is belonging to physical chemistry, atomic structure. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as there is a whatever our chemical bonding and as well as the periodic table, these all are coming under the physical chemistry only. Yes, tachyometry. Okay. Yes, that is in an intermediate, it looks like the same topic as tachyometry. Okay, clear. And about that, all the things are coming under it, under in that our yes, physical chemistry. It is one of the main branch in the physical chemistry, which is deals the rate of chemical reactions. Rate of chemical reactions means what? How the changes in the time. How our chemical reactions are changes with the time. Understood or not? All that is only there in our chemical kinematics. Yes. Now, what is the chemical kinematics also, students? Chemical kinematics is one of the main branch in the physical chemistry. Yes, and it is deal with the what? It is the deal with. It is deal with yes, rate of reaction. It is deal with the what? It deal with rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. Understood or not? All I hope you got it. It is our chemical kinematics is given the information about the rate of reaction. Yes, rate of reaction means what? How the changes the time. Okay, now it's the fast or slow or extremely slow. Why it is slow? Why it is fast? When it is become fast? When it is become slow? We want to become slow down. We want to make it in the slow down. Okay, we want to make it in the fast. We add the catalyst to the chemical substances. Okay, clear or not? Yes. How much we have to add and when we add. Okay, now meanwhile the reaction or at the starting time of reaction like that, you know very well. Yes. And now we are going to discuss that type of the things only. That first concept is yes, another chemical kinematics. The first concept is important applications of kinetics. Okay, now what is the important applications of kinetics? What important applications are there? Next, first one it is rate of reaction and factors of change in the rate of reaction. Yeah. The next concept, the second point is conditions for maintaining the conditions for the rate of reaction. Yes. The next concept is reaction time period. Next one is time required calculating of time of reaction. Yes. The last point is yeah, one more point is also there. That is we are taking a mechanism of reaction. Mechanism of reaction. These are the main applications of our chemical kinetics. Okay, clear on all the students. Main applications of that our yes chemical reactions is this. The rate of reactions and as well as the factors are affecting that our chemical reaction. Yeah, suppose you have to take here the rate of reaction is a what? How much time taken? and what the changes are coming. Same as our physics only. Suppose you take acceleration. It is called what? Rate of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is only called what? Acceleration. In our chemistry also, there is a chemical reactions also. How the changes are coming with the time. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, suppose take one chemical reaction. That is only already we discussed now. There is a curd, formation of curd from the milk. Yes, how much time you taken for it is maybe 4 hours minimum time it is. Okay, clear or not? Yes, in case the sample curd is a contain of strong yeast particles, it will be taken less time. Minimum 4 hours, maximum it is a 8 hours. Okay, and this is only called the rate of reaction. Got it or not? And suppose you take a rusting of iron, it will be it takes a lot of time, 2 to 3 months also. Sometimes it is whatever rust we get for that. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And as well as there is a whatever the baking process, and as well as suppose explosion, any explosions are occurred by chemistry part, it is about within the fractions of second only it completed. Na? Yes, like that, there is a what is the rate of reaction is there. It will be changes with the time in what manner. Okay, how much time taken for it. That everything will be we are going to discuss on this our chemical kinetics concept only. Next, come to the factors. So many factors are affecting a chemical equation. The temperature sometimes, okay, clear or not, all of you, and whatever the substance we are used sometimes, okay, and as well as whatever the yes pressure we are provide for it, and whatever the temperature we are provide for it, whatever the pressure we are provide for it, main the two things are main role played here, and extra to that nature of reactants. Okay, clear. Suppose you take a strongness and a weakness of that reactant. There is hydrogen gas is formed because of HCl and because of H2SO4 also. When we take a zinc granules, that will be gives the both the reactions or gives the hydrogen gas to us. Suppose you take here HCl, it will be formed zinc chloride, and as well as it is produced what actually hydrogen gas. This is the one reaction. And another one I am taken here H2SO4, sulfuric acid I am taken here, ZnSO4 formed, and hydrogen gas evaluated. In the both the situations, there is a hydrogen gas is only produced. But here hydrogen gas is evaluated very fast compared with HCl. Why? Because it is taken a strong acid here H2SO4. That is that. The factors are in that way. Whatever the reactants are there, the reactants are may react with the elements of another reactant. Yes, depending on the nature of that particular substance. It is either may be strong or may be weak. That is, got it or not? Yes, you know very well. At that time of morning session, yes, and afternoon session, photosynthesis reaction is going in a very fast. Why? Because more sunlight is there. At evening session or a morning session, that much of photosynthesis reactions are not going on. Okay, clear or not? Compare with that our afternoon session. Yes, sufficient amount of heat is required now. Yes, and in this way, so many factors are there. About the factors also we are going to discuss. Next one is conditions for rate of reactions. The conditions are also compulsory react. You know very well about this. Okay. Yes, the same photosynthesis reaction. Suppose you have to take it. At night time it is possible? No. Yes. Clear or not all this? Yes. And as well as suppose you take a curd formation only. Yes. There is, in case we provide a sample curd, and as well as we provide here curd, milk, both we are provided. Yes. But we made it is somewhat cap also. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And our dark place. Understood or not? And next one is, yes, this is the condition for rate of reaction. Condition for rate of reaction it is. And next component, there is the time period it is. Yes, what the time period? Yeah, there is the one, some reactions are taken, it is a more time. How much time taken for complete one reaction? Less time or a lot of time? Okay, now sometimes it is a taken a less time only for complete one reaction. Sometimes it will be takes the more time to complete one reactions. Okay, clear. What is the time period is required to complete one reaction? That is also we are going to discuss here. Okay, now and the calculation of a time of a reaction. Okay, now yes, depending on the reactants and the products. Okay, what and the nature and how much time it is taken for a completion of it, and when it will be completed. Yes, at what time, at the what the situations are there. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, that also we are going to discuss in this particular our chemical kinematics based learning. And next component is mechanism of reaction. What the type of mechanism is going on? Different types of mechanisms are there. Endothermic, exothermic. Sometimes in one particular reaction, heat may absorb. Sometimes the heat may evolve. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Precipitations are formed. Gases are evolved. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And as well as somewhat decomposition may occur and a composition may occur, compound substance are may formed, and the different mechanisms are there. These all the applications are may come from where our chemical kinematics. Okay, wherever you go, there is a time is a main role played here. But with the time, not only we are going to discuss the time, but we are also going to discuss here all these things. Yes, what the things factors? Why that much of time taken? Why that much of time not taken? Why it is a completely slowly? Why it is a taken a yes fast reaction? What is the main factor involved in the completion of fast? Already I have discussed it here. Yes, that taken a strong acid in spite of a weak acid, automatically yes the reaction rate is increases. Now yes, the factor is also important. And also I've taken what here next component condition for the reaction also. The condition is also compulsory for it. Okay, clear or not also? Suppose there is a no wet conditions are there, iron is not undergoes the rust na. Okay, clear or not also? More wet will be there, more rust will be there. Okay, clear or not? More rust may occur here. Yes, and like that, there is a condition is also compulsory. All the conditions, environmental conditions, heat conditions, catalyst conditions, every conditions are also important for here. Okay, already I have discussed the photosynthesis reactions is not done at night time. Why? Because sunlight is a compulsory. Sunlight is not available at the night time. Nah, that is why. And next one it is, and as well as for every light, it will be given the photosynthesis reaction? No, sufficient amount of light is also compulsory. Next one is the time period. How much time period for a completion of total reaction? Time taken for a total reaction is only called time period. What the time period is there? Fraction of seconds, fraction of hours, or very long time it is. Okay, like that. Some particular reactions are to complete. It will be takes a lot of time, especially decomposition reactions, whatever there. Okay, and alcoholic reactions, whatever there it will be, it takes a lot of time now. Yes, in the preparation of alcohol, we are taken a what lot of time it is. Understood or not? And as well as so many things are time period, how much time period it is that take for complete one reaction, and as well as calculate of this for time period by using the stoichiometry formulas. We are going to calculate how much time to take complete one chemical reaction. Next to come to here mechanism. There is a different mechanisms are there. Yes, for making a reaction into fast manner, making a reaction into slow manner. Okay, making a reaction the heat evolving purpose, heat absorbing purpose, the gas evolving purpose. Okay, now for we maintain a fast reaction, what we have to add for it. But all mechanisms are also we are yes get from this chemical kinematics. When you know this all the applications, yes, automatically we are make it is a chemical reactions a full-fledged manner, and we get the discrimination of the chemical reactions and chemical equations are in a full-fledged manner. Okay, clear or not? Yes, this is about our applications of chemical kinematics. Based on applications, may you get the questions done. Yes, understood. The following is not application of chemical reaction. They given three of it. Yes, the following statements are a chemical kinematics applications. Yes, otherwise any wrong statement may give for you. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, which one is the wrong statement based on a chemical kinematics? Like that. Okay, the questions application based, mainly that type of questions are only make it. The following is not application of a chemical kinematics. Okay, and other question and reasoning based questions are also make it. Yes, there is suppose you have to take how you know the rate of reactions are chemical reactions are measured by the time to complete a reaction. Yes, and that will be informed by the time period. This is the called assertion. Okay, now clear or not all this? And as well as it is the reason. Understood not all the students? Assertion and reason based we are to take here. Otherwise, already I have given now. This is the conditions. Okay, now the photosynthesis reaction is a totally depending on the sunlight. That is about assertion. Yes, this is indicate the above statement is indicate condition for the rate of reaction. This is the reason. Okay, clear. Assertion and reason based questions also may come from this particular topic. I hope you got it. It is next concept. Yeah. The next concept is the speed of the different chemical reactions varies quickly. Sometimes some reactions are slow. Depending on the speed of reactions, mainly our chemical reactions are okay, clear or students? Based on the speed and as well as the equilibrium. Okay, now what is equilibrium? What is the meaning of our chemical equilibrium? Yeah, the chemical equilibrium is nothing but during the chemical reactions, whatever the reactants are there, that should be equal to the products. Equal. Equilibrium is nothing but equilibrium is nothing but whatever unequal things are may come into the equal manner, that is only called equilibrium. That is, may it temperature equilibrium are there, may there is a physical equilibrium is there. Okay, clear or not? Chemical component equilibrium is also there. Okay, and all the situations, suppose standard temperature and pressure, normal temperature and pressure, you know very well, NTP and STP. We have to maintain that is in an equal format, that is called equilibrium. In one particular situation, we have one type of a temperature and pressure. Then after the temperature and pressure are may should compulsory. We have to take here. Why? Because when you take here at STP only, we have taken what Avogadro number. At STP only, we have taken the what a pressure of the gas. Or at STP only 1 gram of gas is may contain a 22.4 liters of volume. 1 gram of gas may occupy 22.4 liters. Okay, now volume. This statement at STP, okay, now at equilibrium condition. Means for standard temperature pressure, it is applicable to all that gas. Yes, and the speed, based on the speed also, some reactions are going on. Yes, and based on the speed and equilibrium based, our chemical equations or chemical reactions are classified into three types. Yes, what that you know very well already based on the speed. Yes, and it is a fast reaction, and as well as the next one is what slow reaction. Yes, and as well as very slow reaction. Three types based on the speed and based on equilibrium also reaction. Which one is the called fast reaction? Some reactions are may complete in a 10 to the power of -3 seconds, and in a microseconds or nanoseconds also. Okay, clear or not? That type of reactions are called fast reactions. I hope you got it. It is. Yes. Especially ionic reactions like neutralizing reactions, and you know very well. Yes, what is a neutralizing reaction? You know very well, na? There is a one acid is formed with the basis, that is HCl is combined with NaOH formed as a NaCl, and water it is. This is not take much time to form the salt by using acids and bases. You already discussed and already observed in the last year classes. Yes, acids and bases. When I am taught at that time, yes, when we add the bases to the naphthalene solution, pink color may get the naphthalene solution within the fractions of second only. It will be converts its color into pink. It not take much time. There is a within the fractions of second. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that type of all reactions are called fast reactions. Yes, and slow reactions. It will be take somewhat time. It will be somewhat. It's a take somewhat years also, days also. Slow reactions means. Okay, clear or not also? And a given support in our textbook, it is rusting of iron. Okay, it will be take somewhat time. Suppose you take a formation of curd, it will be also take 6 to 7 hours. Okay, that all the things are called what actually? Yes, slow reactions. Very slow reactions. Okay, it will be take lot of years. Yes, you know very well radioactivity of elements. Okay, now yes, radioactivity, natural radioactive substances, whatever there. Okay, they are emitted the rays every time, but they are what not losses. It's a total thing. The lifetime of a radium, somewhat years are there. Okay, of lifetime, full lifetime. There is a lifetimes are there for a above 83 atomic number, whatever radioactivities elements are there. They loses their originalities. Okay, after some days may not appear this, but it will be takes a lot of years. Okay, that is called a very slow reactions. Understood or not? I hope you understood. This is all we are going to calculate in our chemical kinetics. Yes, the question may came from this part. The following is a fast reaction. The following is a slow reaction. The following is not a slow reactions. Yes, and select the slow reactions. Select the fast reactions. The question may came for you in this particular part. Okay. Yes, all the students tomorrow will go detailed about what is this slow reaction, what is this fast reactions, and first application of our chemical kinetics. What is that? Factors involving the chemical reactions. Okay, for a maintaining of flow reaction or maintaining of a fast reactions, what the factors are involved. That is only now we are going to discuss further. Yes, thank you one and all the students. Yes, if you have any doubt, please ask. What is your doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Please raise your hand.